Hi, I'm Matt, and this is a video about turning a bedroom into a closet. I'm in the hallway right now. Here we go. So this house has 4 bedrooms, and a lady is buying it. I do home inspections for a living. And she has 2 kids. So she only needs 3 bedrooms. Her and her husband in 1 bedroom, and the kids each get a bedroom, so that's 3. And this 4th bedroom is going to be her big walk-in closet, which someone has already done here. So you can see you can repurpose the space into a closet, and then you can convert it easily back into a bedroom if you want, because they haven't really done anything except put shelves in here. There's the original closet for the bedroom that stays there. And I've also seen people, let's see. Let me check something real quick. Oh yeah. So there's a bedroom right here. This is the master suite or main bedroom they call it now. So there's plumbing nearby is the point. This is a 2nd floor, this 2-story house. So I've seen people, so the plumbing's in this wall. I've seen people put washers and dryers in here too. So then it becomes a big laundry room as well. And then it's not that hard to convert it back if someone wants to use it as a bedroom again. It's not a big deal. Just take the shelves out, disconnect the plumbing. You can cover it up if you want, or just put the, a cover over it. Paint it. There'd probably be furniture up against it anyway. You'd never notice it if you convert it back to a bedroom, but so nice job. What else? There's heat in here. I've seen people put dressers in the center of the room. This one's a little small. I guess you could put, and they put 2 dressers back to back, like right here in the middle. And then put like a plywood top with a cloth on it. So then it's like a department store where they have sweaters folded on top of it and stuff. And then there's drawers that you can access from each side because the dressers are back to back. And works very well. So that's it. Bedroom to closet. We're going to give this one the thumbs up because it's a good idea. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, as we all say. Bye.